Hello, I'm Rishu from Just Tutors. Today we are going to learn about word problem. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you that this is the second video of subtraction. In the first video we learned subtraction, and in this video we are going to learn about word problem using subtraction. Now let's move forward. So in this session we are going to learn how to solve word problem, mental addition and subtraction problem. Now we have some warm-up question here. You can pause the video and you can try the questions and then you can check the answers. I hope you must have done the question. Now you can go ahead and check your answers from here. Moving forward, so what is the most important thing whenever you are trying to solve a word problem? Always underline the important information, underline all the numbers, and then decide which operation you have to perform. Now, left, difference, how much more, how much less, all these are keywords for subtraction. If you have these keywords, that means you have to do subtraction. Now, moving forward here, we have one example of a word problem. Let's say Salim has 42 rupees. He bought sweets of 19 rupees. How much money is left? So 42 is the keyword, 19 is the keyword, and left is the keyword. So looking at this keyword, we can say that we have to do subtraction. So 42 take away 19, that is done for you here. You cannot do 2 take away 9. So we borrow 1 from here, that becomes 12. 12 take away 9 is 3 and 3 take away 1 is 2. So your answer comes out to be 23. Now moving forward here, you have these two questions. You can pause the video and you can try these two questions and then you can check the answer. I hope you must have tried the question. Now you can go ahead and you can check your answers. So we'll start with question number 1. Rita has some marble. Rahul gave her 189 marble. Now she has 321 marbles. How many marbles did she have in the starting? All right. So here, which operation we'll do? We'll do subtraction. We'll do 321 take away 129. Now the answer comes out to be 132. Same way you can try question 2, and for question 2 the answer comes out to be 184. Now moving forward here, let's read this. Sometimes you have information that you need to make a word problem using it. So what will happen sometime that some information will be given to you and you have to create a word problem by yourself. So here the information we have is money with Sumit, that is 726 rupees. Now money with Priya, that is 489 rupees. Now you have to create a word problem. So this one is done for you. Sumit has 726 rupees and Priya has 489 rupees. How much more money should Priya have so that they both can have the same amount of money? Now to decide this, we'll do how much more money Sumit has than Priya. So to get that, what we'll do is we'll do 726 take away 489 and you'll see that the answer comes out to be 237. So Priya should have 237 rupees more so that they both can have the same amount of money. Now moving forward here, so these are two informations given to you. You can go ahead and you can pause the video and make the word problem out of it. After making the word problem, please try and solve the word problem as well. You can try to make the word problem of addition as well. Now moving forward here, let's read this. You may sometimes need to do addition and subtraction mentally, like when you're shopping to calculate the total money spent or how much change you should get. Alright, so let's say if you went on shopping and you are trying to calculate the change, so you have to work that out mentally. It may be addition or subtraction. Let's try question 1 here. Mark has 20 rupees and Jaspal has 35 rupees. How much money they have all together? So first we'll go ahead and we'll underline the key information, that is 20 rupees and 35 rupees. Now we have the keyword here all together. That means we have to do addition. Now we do 35 add 25. What is 35 add 25? That gives you 55 rupees. Now let's go ahead and let's try question 2. In a science test, Rishi got 25 marks and Mohammed got 37 marks. How much more marks did Mohammed got? So here first we'll go ahead and we'll underline the keywords, that is 25 marks and 37 marks. Now if we come on to the keyword how much more marks, that means our keyword gives us the idea that we have to do subtraction here. Now so 37 take away 25 will give you 12. So that means 12 marks. I'll write here 12 marks. Now we'll just move forward. So we are on to the practice time. You can go ahead, you can pause the video and then we'll check the answers here. So you must have tried the question. Now you can go ahead and check your answer. So the answer for question number 1 will be 239. Let's go ahead. Let's see what you have to do in this question. So Raju went to a trip. He took his first stop for lunch at 350 kilometers. He then stopped his car at 589 kilometers. How much more distance did he travel till he stopped for lunch? So what you have to do, you have to do 589 take away 350, and that will give you 239 as the answer. Now for question 2, you'll get 235 as the answer. I'm sure you can do question 2 now. Let's move forward. So question 3 and question 4 are the information given to you, out of which you have to create a word problem. Now, I'll go ahead and I'll try question 4 for you to create a word problem. So, silver Rakhi, that is 349, gold Rakhis, that is 169. So, the question could be asked like that. How many more gold Rakhis, how many more silver Rakhis are there than gold Rakhis? So, what you have to do, you have to take away 169 from 349. Or the question could also be, what is the total of silver Rakhis and gold Rakhis altogether? In that case, you have to add these two numbers. Question 5. Reena has 89 flowers. She sold 19 flowers. How many flowers are left with her? So, what you'll do, you'll do 89 take away 19. That will give you 70 flowers. Now, we'll move forward. So, thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.